Today we're going to take notes over volume. Look at the square prism. A square prism is a three-dimensional figure with two square bases and four lateral rectangular faces. Standing on one square base, imagine that this square prism is a single stack of square-shaped crackers. In general, the volume of the prism would be modeled by the area of one of these crackers, which is the square base, times the number of stacked crackers. Mathematically, we can say that the volume of this square prism is equal to the area of this square base times the height of the prism. We represent this formula by using volume of the square prism equals area of the base times its height. This formula, volume equals capital B little h, will actually apply to any prism or cylinder, where the capital B represents the area of the base and h represents the height of the prism or the cylinder. A rectangular prism. Consider a package of construction paper. The volume of the package is the area of the bottom rectangle, the bottom sheet, 1, times the number of sheets in the package. Mathematically, we state that this is the volume of a rectangular prism is equal to the area of the rectangular base times its height. This is represented by the formula V equals capital B little h, area of the base times height. Since the area of the base B is the area of the rectangle, which is found by the formula A equals length times width, we can also write this formula for the rectangular prism as length times width times height. Now consider a stack of triangular shaped crackers. The volume of the stack is the area of the bottom triangle, which is one cracker, times the number of crackers in the stack. So mathematically, we'll state that the volume of the triangular prism is equal to the area of the triangular base times its height. This is represented by the formula volume equals area of the base times height. Since the area of the base B is the area of a triangle, we can use the formula for the area of a triangle, which is base times height divided by 2, to calculate the area of the base. Then we would multiply that area of the base times its height. And lastly, let's look at a cylinder. Consider a package of flour tortillas. The volume of the package is the area of a circular tortilla times the number of the flour tortillas in the package. Mathematically, we can state that the volume of the cylinder is going to be equal to the area of the circular base times its height. Again, we represent this formula by area of the base times height. Since the area of the base, capital B, is the area of a circle, which is the formula is for the area of a circle is pi r squared, we can also write the formula for the for the volume of a cylinder as volume equals pi r squared h, which is the area of this base times its height.